What's up everybody? Here we are working on a Bobcat. This is a track steer, and the issue is, let me show you real quick. Okay, put this down. Yeah, click your little button over here. Goes up, goes down, but this side is not working. I know. This side is not working. If you'll notice, right here, look how strong this nut is. And how tight this one is. So what we're gonna have to do is pop right here. See that? Came and bolted. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this nut off. And we're gonna pull this nut off. We're gonna lift the whole rop up. And we're gonna take an inspection of what went wrong right here with the linkage. Because obviously it's not hooked up to anything anymore. So let's pitter patter and get into that. And I'll show you guys what the problem is once we get her open. Alright. First things first, get your 19mm in your little socket set. That way you have something to work with. Once you got this, get back over to the unit and I'm going to show you how to lift that prop up. Alright, once you get back with your tools, take your little wrench here and you're going to take this nut right here off. Get that nut out and go over to this side and do the same thing. And a gear wrench makes it really easy to do this. So alright, so once you got both those off, in theory, it just lifts right up. So go ahead and close the door and put your hand up here and then just push up on it until you can get under it. Now, once you got the rod up, you can see where the linkage goes. So what we're looking for is this linkage right here. Let's see. Trying to figure out what it goes to. Okay. So it goes to right here. This. Let's see. And yep, the bolt is gone. Did not. Shouldn't do it. Try to get you a better view of what happened. Let's go down in here. You can see right in here. See that moving? See the hole right there? There's a bolt or a pin goes in this hole in there, connects it. So let's see if I can, I'm gonna need both hands to do this, but let's see if I can get something in there and I'll try to get a better view of it. Maybe I'll take a picture or something, but give me 1 second, y'all. Alright, y'all. So if you see right down there, that pin fell out. We're gonna have to retrieve it. So the pin is right down there. You can kind of see it in that right there. That's what fell out. So pull out your trusty dusty little magnet flashlight. That is actually pretty cool because look, it extends out. I can get down in here and get my pin. And then, of course, with this, We know that we're gonna need a cotter pin, which I already retrieved from the truck, so then we just size up. Okay, that one's too big, which is why I grabbed 2 different ones. And it looks like that one's going to fit. Yes, sir. Okay, so now, with that being said, we'll get our light back here so you guys can see what I was looking at. Okay. Now if you look right up here where I'm shining the light, there's a linkage. You can kind of see the hole right there. The linkage connects to that right where I'm pointing the light right here. So it's going to take both hands to get this pin back in there and line up that hole. But once I do that, I'll show you the finished product. Let's go, y'all. Ain't nothing too hard if you know what you're doing. Okay, now you can see that we got the pin in the hole right there. So all it needs is the cotter pin put in, and we'll test out the unit. Alright, y'all, so we got it hooked back up. We're gonna go ahead and close the rod right now. And just in case you didn't know, you push this in, take the weight off the rod, push that in, and then it kind of comes down all by itself. Be careful, don't get your hands caught in it. So what we're gonna do before putting the bolts and shit back on, we're gonna come in here, get out of all that loudness out there. We're gonna fire the old girl up, and we're just gonna make sure you put the lap bar down, hit the green button. Once you do that, we're gonna test out function with your foot, and there we go. We have function to the bucket. So now that we verified that that's working, it is safe to grab your washers right here, drop it in its little home, grab this washer, put it in its little home, start the nut on this side, or you can do it either sides first, however you want to do it. Get that one started, get the second one started. Once that's started, take your nice little wrench here. Snug. And then snug up the other side. That's it, y'all. So sometimes the most obvious is the issue. Make sure you're checking all your basics before you dive into some big diagnosis. All this one was the linkage came unhooked, the pin fell out. So once you put the pin in, you put your ring in there, you get it locked in, you're hooked back up, and you're good to go. I hope this was helpful for someone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. No Class out.